Hi friends and welcome back. Our today's word is conciliation. Its spell is Conciliation. Conciliation. So let's pronounce with me. Conciliation. Conciliation. The word conciliation is a noun. Its root word is conciliate. Interestingly, the words conciliate and counsel both are derived from the same Latin word concilium, which means assembly or council. Therefore, a council is an assembly or meeting for consultation, advice, or discussion, and it is often the task of a council to conciliate opposing views. Whereas, the Latin roots of conciliation means a connection, union, or bond, or literally a making friendly. So depending on the root words, the following are the three meanings of conciliation. The first one is the act of placating and overcoming distrust and animosity. The second one is the state of manifesting goodwill and cooperation after being reconciled. And the third one is any of various forms of mediation whereby disputes may be settled short of arbitration. In Urdu, we call conciliation as misalihat, ittafaq, ya mel milap. Moreover, when you calm someone down, soothing their anger or distrust, that's conciliation. For example, if you have had a misunderstanding with a friend that you are determined to put right, so there is likely to be a tone of conciliation in your voice as you invite her to meet for lunch. You can also use conciliation to bring two other people or groups to an understanding, exactly as the way a mediator does when people get divorced or a peacemaker works with hostile countries. Therefore, conciliation is an important part of making peace between two warring countries. Incidentally, the word conciliation has a list of synonyms. Some of them are placation, propitiation, appeasement, resolution, peacemaking, and reconcilement. However, the antonyms are confrontation, opposition, arguing, challenge, heavy blow, and incitation. Now let's have a look on its usage in a sentence. The first example is an attitude of moderation and conciliation befits every candid person. Here, conciliation is used in a sense of placation. The other example is there was a brief period of conciliation, but the fighting soon resumed. In this sentence, the word conciliation refers to peace. And the last example we have is if there is a disagreement between them, it's taken to a conciliation committee as it is for legislative proposals. Here, conciliation refers to mediation. So that's all for today. Keep practicing the words and don't forget to share your sentences and feedback with us. For finding the reading material of this video, must visit us on our FB page. So see you tomorrow with a new word. Stay with us and have a good day.